disguise with another front end. It's possible to change this world, revolutionize the boys and girls. It's possible to educate the next generation that will rule the world someday. The changing times of the 21st century means nothing to me, cause I would rather be at the beginning of time. Earth would be mine, living in luxury, discovering a world out there, believing in the sun, earth, water and air. Take me there so I could see the world bloom, standing on the seas, live howling in the moon. Creating a world for the open-minded, a unique perception of truth inside it. I know we could find it, it's just a matter of where and when we collectively decide it. The world is not a vicious place, it's just the way we've been raised, discovering time and space. I know that we could make a change, rearrange the way that we appreciate the world today. It's possible to love someone and not treat them in the way that you won't. It's possible to see your eyes be the devil in disguise with another front end. It's possible to change this world, revolutionize the boys and girls. It's possible to